This is the Ryze tello. So the Ryze tello comes in a pretty standard box. Inside the box you can find the two packages which contains the drone and manuals. Also in the orange box we can find the charger, the manual box, and we also find 3 batteries. The Ryze tello is a small 720p drone and it can also capture 5 megapixel pictures. Under the drone we find the sensors that can keep the Ryze tello steady in the air. On the back is where you put in the battery. On the top is a removable shell, and you can also remove the guards for the wings. On the side you can also find the alternative charging port of the Ryze tello. And now we have some video samples of the Ryze tello flying inside using the speed 1 setting, and some samples of the cameras inside, both video and picture taking.